Hello everyone. So if you haven't been consuming cucumber juice at least once every week, know you are missing a lot. You want to stick around and learn why you need to consume this at least once every week, plus how to come up with this very powerful healing cucumber juice recipe. Like, this is what your system needs to always be healthy, free of sicknesses. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I use is cucumber. So I'll be using 2 cucumbers. I like buying organics, even though I wash thoroughly with vinegar and water. You want to wash your cucumber thoroughly. Cucumbers are very alkalizing. Alkalizing means it forms a disease fighting barrier in your system. It cleanses your organs, most especially your liver. Your liver needs to be cleansed to function properly, and this fights diseases, cleanses your liver, leaves it in very good state to fight diseases for you. Like, cucumber has been discovered, research has proven that it treats certain kinds of cancers. Like, this is so disease fighting, something you want to consume to keep your system always healthy and intact. So these are 2 cucumbers. If you have a juicer, you can actually juice it out. I just do this so whoever doesn't have a juicer, you don't feel left out. But a juicer will be so fast for you to just juice this out of it. Yeah, so you want to just grate and you achieve the juice, and don't throw the fiber. I will tell you what to do with the fiber at the end. So this is the juice. I want to make this so concentrated. This is the best way you want to make your cucumber juice. And to make it even more powerful, I'll be adding 2 other ingredients in here. The first I'll be adding 1 lime and 1 lemon plus 1 more ingredient. So lime and lemons are loaded, highly rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to boost your immune system. The good acids in lemon and lime, they help to flush out bad acids, sodium from your system, like all the acidity causing you to always feel weak, dizzy, sick. It cleanses and allows you feel light and more energetic. Plus, it boosts your metabolism and help you break down food, toxins, excess food built up in your system. Like, it cleanses you, breaks down, and enables you flush out what your system doesn't want. Let me put it that way. So this is it: 1 lime and 1 lemon. You just want to peel and keep your peel. You don't need to throw your peel. I'll show you what to do with your peel in my subsequent video. Yeah. So now, this is what you want to do. You want to just slice up your lime and lemon, and we are trying to achieve juice out of this as well. So you want to follow the procedure, very important. The next ingredient I'll be adding before I show you how I'll achieve the juice out of that will be ginger. Ginger is very good when it comes to cleansing your system. Your organs needs to be cleansed. Even though your liver actually detoxes, flushes out waste from your system, it needs to be cleansed. This cleanses you, flushes out all excess food built up, waste, helps like assist your system to easily break down heavy or toxins that have been stored up in your system for long. Break them down and you pass them out so you can be clean from the inside. Plus, adding it with cucumber and lime and lemon, it has a lot of benefits that I will be sharing with you once I am done with the procedure of coming up with this juice. So this is equivalent to 2 tablespoons of ginger. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of ginger. And if you are not diabetic, honey is very healthy. It depends the kind of honey you have. If you are sure your honey is raw, organic, not the fake honey, you buy good quality honey, you can add a teaspoon in here, just a little bit, just to give in some taste. But if you are diabetic, you are not allowed to consume anything sweet. You can skip the honey, but we want to make this fun. You don't want it so boring in the mouth. Plus, honey has good bacteria that helps to cleanse bad bacteria from your system. It is very cleansing too, very healing as well. Honey is very healthy. So this is the quantity of honey I will be using. So as you can see, I want this really concentrated, and you want to watch how I'll come up with this. So as for ginger, you need to normally get the juice out of your ginger so it doesn't get too too concentrated. So that is my ginger, my lime, lemon, and honey. I'll add in a cup of water. So you want to add in one large cup of water, and you blend, 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 blend. So the lime can be a little bit really acidic, and ginger too can be hot. So when you add that water, it kind of takes down the strength of both ingredients and make it so suitable to consume without being so harsh. And the honey gives that good flavor. You put in the nutrients into your system without, like, at ease, with ease. Yeah. So you want to strain now, strain, 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 and get the juice out of your this is the juice from the lime, lemon, and tablespoon of honey. So you just kind of like squeeze out the juice. As you can see, it is really concentrated, but you needed water, as I explained earlier. So it doesn't you need water to squeeze out, to get the juice out of ginger, so it doesn't get so strong. Plus the lime, you need to tone it down, tone the acidity down, while it cleanses your system nicely and gently. Yeah. So this is what you do. You just pour the cucumber juice. You see, everything now is concentrated. This is the best way you can make your cucumber juice and enjoy it. If you don't like adding the other ingredients, you can just consume your cucumber juice plain. But I like to always add, because this becomes now a very powerful alkalizing juice. Very powerful. It lowers your blood pressure. This will help to burn fat in your system. This is very alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses. This takes you away from the doctor by keeping your organs intact, clean. It flushes out sodium acids from your system. Like, this is so cleansing. This is so healing. This is something you want to consume at least once every week. Like, this is something you need. I can't reiterate enough. Like, once every week, just make this juice and treat yourself with it. Heal yourself. Most especially if you have that high blood pressure. This is very good, as it has all those ingredients to help you lower that pressure for you. Most especially lime, lemon, ginger, cucumber, like all of them. If you are really a patient, a diabetic patient, skip the honey. That is okay. I just put in the honey because I'm just fine. I'm healthy. I don't have any health complications, so I kind of use my healthy sweetener like honey, which is very okay if you are healthy. But if you're sick, that is something you don't want to add in yours. You can skip it and just make it just plain without the honey. Yeah, and treat your system. That is why I always say, when you are proactive, you like preventing sicknesses, you will not end up depriving yourself from eating certain things. But if you destroy your system with bad eating habits, there will be a time doctors will tell you, don't eat this, don't eat that, don't eat that. So that is something I prevent, and my health is 100% on point. So I eat all my healthy food, but just the right kinds of food. I eat everything. I don't I'm not restricted, but I get people who say they can't eat certain kinds of fruits because they are sweet, or some things because they are too sweet. That is because you were not proactive, but it is okay. We all make mistakes. So when you now, it is good to be proactive. If you don't have any of those sicknesses, you don't need to consume juices like this just when you are so sick. You need to start cleaning your system now, treating your system to prevent them before doctors start telling you what to eat and what not to eat. You treat yourself in a way that you can enjoy every natural food except processed and all the over-the-counter processed chemically made foods that I don't eat. I eat everything natural. And that is how it is supposed to be if you take good care of yourself. Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and see you again in my next video. Bye.